92.
92.
92.
Subordonné avec que, de.
Subordinate clauses, that, to.
Subordinate clauses, that, to.
Cela me fâche que tu ronfles.
I'm angry that you snore.
I'm angry that you snore.
Cela me fâche que tu boives autant de bière.
I'm angry that you drink so much beer.
I'm angry that you drink so much beer.
Cela me fâche que tu arrives si tard.
I'm angry that you come so late.
I'm angry that you come so late.
Je crois qu'il a besoin d'un médecin.
I think he needs a doctor.
I think he needs a doctor.
Je crois qu'il est malade.
I think he is ill.
I think he is ill.
Je crois qu'il est en train de dormir.
I think he is sleeping now.
I think he is sleeping now.
Nous espérons que notre fille se mariera.
We hope that he marries our daughter.
We hope that he marries our daughter.
Nous espérons qu'il a beaucoup d'argent.
We hope that he has a lot of money.
We hope that he has a lot of money.
Nous espérons qu'il est millionnaire.
We hope that he is a millionaire.
We hope that he is a millionaire.
J'ai entendu que ta femme avait eu un accident.
I heard that your wife had an accident.
I heard that your wife had an accident.
J'ai entendu qu'elle est à l'hôpital.
I heard that she is in the hospital.
I heard that she is in the hospital.
J'ai entendu que ta voiture est complètement détruite.
I heard that your car is completely wrecked.
I heard that your car is completely wrecked.
Je me réjouis que vous soyez venu.
I'm happy that you came.
I'm happy that you came.
Je me réjouis que vous soyez intéressé.
I'm happy that you are interested.
I'm happy that you are interested.
Je me réjouis que vous vouliez acheter la maison.
I'm happy that you want to buy the house.
I'm happy that you want to buy the house.
Je crains que le dernier bus ne soit déjà parti.
I'm afraid the last bus has already gone.
I'm afraid the last bus has already gone.
Je crains que nous ne puissions prendre un taxi.
I'm afraid we will have to take a taxi.
I'm afraid we will have to take a taxi.
Je crains de ne pas avoir d'argent sur moi.
I'm afraid I have no more money.
I'm afraid I have no more money.